Well, good morning, everybody. It's your boy Frank. Welcome back to my channel, Bangin Gears. So, I pride myself on this channel to not do a lot of vlogging. It's just not what I do. I make these little theatrical, cinematic movies, I like to call them, from car shows. The only time you really see me talking in front of a camera is when I'm doing a do-it-yourself tutorial or I'm actually interviewing somebody. But vlogging, there is no other way of me making this video. So, that being said, today we're going to vlog. God help us all. We are currently sitting in bumper-to-bumper traffic on 495 in Northern Virginia, heading to PSL Trailers in White Marsh, Maryland, where we're going to pick up my brand new 8.5 by 20 Diamond Cargo enclosed blackout trailer. For you, it's going to be instantaneous. It's going to be about a 2-hour drive from me, or as I like to say, one of these. So, sit back, relax. After the intro, you should be looking at a trailer. So stay tuned. She is. Okay, so we're still at PSL Trailers. That's the trailer itself. We're gonna go talk about it real quick. So it's got the Blackout Package. And the Blackout Package consists of all the aluminum on the truck being powder coated black. Normally would be like this trailer over here where the aluminum is polished. But over here it's all going to be blacked out. Everything is black. All the door trim is going to be blacked out. The door handle is going to be blacked out. The wheels and all the diamond plate aluminum, like I said, is going to be black. It has the LED package, so all the lights are going to be LED. It's filthy. I'll have to clean it up. Even the marker lights are going to be all of the LED. It's got a vent on this side at the bottom and a vent on the other side at the top. You can see it over there. But it looks really good. I'm happy. It's got the Black Diamond logo on the top right there. All the pieces are blacked out. Everything looks fantastic. So that's basically it. We're gonna put the spare in the trailer. I picked up a spare as well. We're gonna get back to the house and I'll show you the inside there because they're in kind of a rush. So I want to get out of here and get back home. So we'll catch you back at the house and we'll see you there. So about a week has passed and I've had plenty of opportunities now to actually use the trailer, walk around it, take a good hard look at it, see things that I didn't like, things that I do like, and get some projects in mind. And that's what we're going to talk about right now. So, but before I do that, I want to thank a couple of people. One, I want to thank my friend Russell, who I've said in a few videos, before I had the truck and before I had the trailer, he used to let me borrow his truck and trailer for a couple of years whenever I needed it to tow the car to major shows, especially like Ocean City. And then when I finally got my truck last year, I just had to borrow his trailer, but still, it's above and beyond what friendships call for. So Russell, thank you very much for everything you've done for me for the last few years with the truck and trailer and everything else. Without you and without the use of those two things, I probably couldn't have made half the videos that I've made this year. And two, I also want to thank my Gearhead members. We have 2 of them now. If you also would like to support the channel and become a member, not a subscriber, become a member, you can click the membership button and see get more information about it and everything memberships have to offer. But if you just like this content and you just want to subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video, because with the trailer, there's going to be a lot of cool trailer projects coming up down the pike. So with that, let's jump right into it and we'll get inside the trailer. Now, it's a trailer. It's an 8.5 by 20 diamond cargo in Georgia. It's got the black package where everything is black, and I'm not going to show you anything that you haven't seen before when it comes to trailers. It's got the fold down so I can drive the car up. I have some wood in here because I'm in the process of replacing the decking on my back deck on the house, but it's just a standard trailer. Looks great. It has the LED package. It's got the one light at the door. There is no vent on top. I opted to go that route because I've been told by a lot of people that they leak and they're probably more hassle than they are worth it. So I got the small vents on the outside. You can see one there, and the vent on the front there. It comes with the 4 tie downs, like most trailers do. And I did pick up a spare tire, of course, always good to have. But I am going to move these. I'm probably either going to move them or I'm going to leave them and buy 2 more and scoot them up, because I want to build a workbench here. So I want to get the E-Track system and build a workbench in here with some drawers and some cabinets, maybe even a set of upper cabinets, so I can work in here if I ever get into a pickle out on the road and I need to do some work on the car. I can have storage for all my tools and things like that. The other thing I want to do is undercoating. Anything from Georgia is known to not be that well undercoated, especially for East Coast, where we get tons of salt and snow and sand in the winter time. If you're doing any type of hauling, you really need to undercoat these really well. I haven't even looked underneath it yet. It may be well done. Let's go look at that right now, actually. So it's pretty well undercoated, actually. You can see somebody must have caught it there and bent it. I'll have to bang that back up. But everything seems to be undercoated really well. I may not have to do that project. Huh. Okay, well, I'm happier. I might go over the wood. You can see like the wood here is a little not coated correctly. I should undercoat it again. Like I said, it's a good thing to do. Always check yours if you get one out of Georgia, because they're known, like I said, not to be very well undercoated. I like the insulated door with an actual lock. It's got a deadbolt on it, so I can be inside. If I ever have to sleep or something on the inside, I can lock it from the inside without being locked inside, if that makes any sense. Like I said, it's got the blackout package where all the diamond plate has been powder coated black, matches all the blacked out badging on the truck, which is what I really wanted. So I got the all black truck and the all black trailer. I also want to get some E-Track and mount it on the walls for hanging tools and ratchet tie downs and things like that. I'm not going to do the E-Track on the floor. I like the traditional ring tie downs better. It does have, I forgot what this is called, some kind of a dovetail in the back where it sinks a little lower for easy access for the car to ride up. I'm also going to do the floor completely over. I realize you can't see it because of all the decking. I'm going to either epoxy or rhino line the floor. Give it that sandy grip. So when I walk on it, it's not, and it's been wet outside, it's not going to be slippery, and it'll just dress it up a little bit. I'm also going to paint the walls, I think. I'm going to paint the walls white. I have the insulated roof, which I really like. Now some things that I don't like, which I think the manufacturer could have done a little bit better job on. And let's go outside. Things like here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a gap in the aluminum right there. Now, to me, it's an easy fix. I'm going to put some epoxy in there and put a couple of screws and see if I can get it to close up a little bit. It looks like I will be able to. So that I can fix myself. Not that big of a deal. See, like there's another one back here, which is an easy fix. Just put a couple of more screws. I don't know if they forgot to put screws or the epoxy just didn't hold of what they put. You can see the vent on the outside and the LED lighting. But there's a couple of spots in the trailer where the aluminum isn't flush. So the outside, it's not 100% perfect, but everything is gonna be fixable. Am I gonna nitpick it? No. It's a relatively low budget enclosed trailer. So I'm not gonna nitpick it too hard. It is what it is, and it's worth every dime in my book so far. Maybe in 6 months or a year, we'll do another review. But the inside to me is perfect. It's gonna be a lot more projects coming up with the trailer over the next few weeks. So like I said, if you don't want to miss any of those, make sure you subscribe to the channel and we'll keep you informed, and maybe you'll learn something. Maybe I'll learn something. So with that, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time on Bangin' Gears.